Okay, it's time to take some pictures. This is February the 15th, and obviously no school today here in this part of the world because we live in the South, and I've lived here now, what is it, about 28 years, and I don't recall this much snow in a storm in the winter. We've had ice and we've had some snow, but this is a lot. This is probably, I don't know, maybe 5 to 6, even maybe more than that, inches. And I've been out here and got my boots on, pajamas. There you go, big boots. But you know, I had my dog out here and he made those tracks. He ran around in it for a while. But it's deep. See, there's my bushes and they're up there. I was going to walk around a little bit. It's very pretty. Snowed most of last night, I think. And it's beautiful, you know, but there's a snow drift. We used to have a lot of snow drifts, much deeper than that one in Oklahoma where I lived. Wow, this is deep. See, there's my boot. Like this. Wow. Try to go around the house. Oh man. And of course it's cold out here. I think tomorrow's going to be in a single digit low. Woo! Freezes your eyebrows, your skin. I gotta get this done and come back in. Oh man. The snow is so deep. Look at that. I mean, can you see? My boot is very much snow for this part of the world. Yowza, yowza. Pretty with the sun shining. Wow, so deep for us here. Golly. Amazing. Not many people going out on the road. Huh. Oh, still some flurries. Probably just a little bit of the snow flowing down from the trees. Wow, that's where I've been, and I'm going to go back on it too. This will burn your breakfast off. Yeah. When I was a kid, we had snow and stuff like this a lot, and you know, Oklahoma, and my brothers and I, only they did it more than me because they tended to do that stuff, and I was more in the house doing dishes and helping mom. But we had cattle. They took care of that. But one time I had a calf. We have to go out no matter what kind of weather, early in the morning, and feed the calf with a bottle and the ice, you know, from the water tank that they got their water from, or if it was a pond, we'd have to go out with a hatchet, break the ice, so they had a spot to get their water. Yep, it's cold. Whew. So before I take this off, I was going to get out here. Give Mary, Mama Mary, who Jesus gave to us, get the snow away from her. She's like Our Lady of the Snows, right? Oh. Okay. Whew, enough, we're cold. fingers